Hey guys, are you trying to figure out whether Notability or Notion is the best for your notes? Well, I spent hours diving into both, and I've got the answers you're looking for. Spoiler, they're both amazing, but they're like comparing apples to, well, another apple that looks nothing like the first one. So let's break it down. Notability is all about smooth handwriting, audio notes, and simple organization. It's perfect for anyone who loves jotting down ideas quickly or needs to sync notes with lectures. Notion, on the other hand, is like the Swiss Army knife of note taking, super customizable with databases, task boards, and AI tools. If you're into handwritten notes, Notability is your best friend. It's got smooth writing, PDF annotation, and the ability to record audio while you write. Super handy for meetings or classes. Notion, however, thrives in a more digital workspace. It's text-based, but you get rich formatting, Kanban boards, and even AI-powered tools, but no handwriting support. Yeah, that's a deal breaker for some. Notability is easy. Pick it up, start writing, and boom, you're good. But Notion, it's got a steeper learning curve. You'll need some time to master its customization, but trust me, once you get it, you can organize your life like a pro. To sum it up, Notability is perfect for handwriting and lecture notes. If you want versatility, Notion's your go-to for managing projects with style. But if you're all about handwritten notes, Notability wins, hands down. So which one's for you? It depends. Want simple handwritten notes? Go for Notability. Need a full-on digital workspace with project management features? Notion's calling your name. If you're still unsure, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with more reviews that will make your decision a whole lot easier.